From a frog's point of view, your pool looks like the perfect pond to take a swim. And if your pool attracts a lot of bugs and insects, it can become a frog's favorite food source. Luckily, there are 8 ways to keep frogs out of your pool water. Check it out. Number 1, use a cover. Cover your pool at night or whenever you're not using it. This will help keep bugs out of your pool and take away the frog's food source. For extra peace of mind, consider using a pool safety cover. They're made specifically to keep things from falling into your pool. You can also use a solar cover, which actually reduces evaporation at night so your pool is warmer during the day. Speaking of warm, number 2, heat the pool water. Here's a fun fact. Frogs absorb oxygen through their skin, and cold water has more dissolved oxygen than warm water. That's why frogs love a nice, cool pond. While heating your pool may not keep frogs out completely, it may make your water less appealing. You can heat the water with a solar pool cover, a liquid solar pool cover, solar rings, or a pool heater. Number 3, install a pool fence. A pool fence is a straightforward way to keep animals, and especially frogs, from finding their way into the water. Just be sure to choose the right type of fence. Iron bars, chain link, or anything with holes won't keep frogs out. So choose solid wood or vinyl fencing. Number 4, pull out your weeds. Frogs love hiding in dense patches of weeds and grass. So next time you do a little pool landscaping, clear the area around your pool and take out those frog-friendly hiding spots. Number 5, turn off your lights. Remember, lights attract insects, and keeping your lights on, especially at night, means a buffet of bugs for your froggy friends. So when you're not using your pool, turn off all the lights in and around your pool. No lights, no bugs, no frogs. Plus, you'll save money on your electric bill. Number 6, install a water feature. Insects love laying eggs in still water. Gross. And the more eggs they lay, the more insects you'll have, which again means more frogs. You can add a pool fountain or a waterfall to help move the water around in your pool and deter those bugs from camping out. Number 7, buy a frog log. Sometimes you find a frog in your pool simply because it couldn't get out on its own. And if you want to help frogs get out of your pool after they jump in, try a frog log, a critter net, or a rescue ramp near the pool's edge. It's a small pad or a ramp that floats on the water and attaches to a weight on your pool deck. Frogs and other small animals like mice and birds can climb up onto this pad and climb out of your pool. And it's much more affordable than installing a fence or buying a pool heater. Number 8, create an alternative frog habitat. If you have a serious frog problem that just won't go away, consider creating a small pond in your backyard that's more attractive to the frogs than your pool. You can line it with plants and flowers and add stones or logs to help frogs climb out of the water. Just make sure it's far enough away from your pool. And that's it. Those are the 8 tips that you need to help keep frogs out of your pool. If you're looking for an easy-to-follow tutorial that'll answer all your pool questions, go check out our Pool Care Handbook and video course. You'll get over 30 in-depth video lessons and a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything you need to know about pool maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your swimming pool clean. This is the ultimate manual for every type of pool, including in-ground, above-ground, and in-text blow-up pools. And the best part is we always keep it up to date, so once you buy it, you have access to the latest and greatest version for life. So because you're watching this video, you can go to swimuniversity.com/pool and use the promo code video. If there's a pool care topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, please leave a comment to let us know. And hit the like button below if you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about pool maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And check out the Pool Care Handbook and video course at swimuniversity.com/pool. Don't forget to enter the promo code video to get 10% off. That's it. Thanks again and happy swimming.